or the machine restarts, or the machine was off and it starts again, you need to rinse. The machine will now say rinse. The machine will not heat up before rinsing. Only after rinsing the machine will heat up. Now we updated the software, but I just want to show the guy in black the recipe. Maybe two of you, please, if you don't mind. Because I said,
Yes.
I said to you, I have the recipe here. It's less than a minute to move it to the machine. I will do it now.
And I can export also from there, right? There is both options.
What do you mean?
Once you put the data,
Yeah.
and back if I need to copy
Yeah.
in other pen drive, I can do it. Yeah.
Yes, yes. It's one of the machines that communicate both ways. You have, you've seen maybe coffee machines in the market, in the coffee industry, that you can connect to the machine, but the machine does not send you anything. This machine, even online, I said I'm gonna monitor this machine from Dubai. The machine sends me information also of what's happening. If we have time, I will show you. So this is the old recipe. Okay, it's just a quick. The machine recognizes the USB, any USB, and the machine says, what do you want to do? I want to bring data from the USB to the machine, so I choose this one. The machine is saying password, which is a disaster because everyone knows the password now. The machine, do you want to bring this file? The machine is asking, yes, I want to bring this file. It's less than a minute. Done. Okay, I can now I'm done with everything, all the settings of the machine. I mean, the machine is now Krispy Kreme machine. However, I need to run the coffee, I need to taste the espresso, I need to calibrate the water for you. But the screen, you will see it now, the machine will restart. After restarting, the screen will be Krispy Kreme screen. For the technical, this should be closed properly because to eliminate water, just in case.
You mean the cover of the USB?
Yeah, the cover of the USB. So now when the machine restarts, it will restart with Americana recipe and the Americana logo on the screen. Yes, it's good I'm not saying Team Hawkins.
So for changing the recipes, question. Changing the recipes, this is the only process you should put in the USB and put in the machine. But
If the machine is connected online, you tell me what you want to do.
you can do it.
I can do it from Dubai,
Okay.
but whatever you tell me, I cannot do it before I take approval from the head office. It will not end up every shop is calling me, hey, can you increase some coffee in my...
No, of course, it should be universal, you know.
Yeah, it should be one.
If let's say if the new recipe is updated, if you got the official email, it means you will update it in the whole market.
Yes, yes. Now this is the latest recipe we're working on with the Gorab. Okay. Now technical again. So the machine is ready. Asking purge the steam. Unlike other machines, it's a dry steam. It's a dry steam and it's anti-heat, so it's not a problem. You don't burn yourself. If you block it, it will burn you, but this closed, even it will not burn you. Does anyone know what power supply we have here?
220.
Sorry?
220.
Yeah, how many amps?
Amperes.
Okay, yesterday,
Meter? Do they have a meter?
Yeah, multimeter.
can you check how many amps?
Answer
With
will
the
check
machine?
the machine.
Hmm?
No, the power.
I know how many amps the machine, the power.
The power.
Power without plug, how we can check the power. Only the breaker we can understand is how many amps.
Okay, okay, fine. Yesterday in Jeddah, we struggled with the power. They gave us 12 amps to operate the machine. We operated the machine, but the machine looked very stupid with 12 amps. Okay?
What was the requirement?
Minimum 16.
Now the company they do the store. Now you do check down there.
Okay. Okay.
The machine and check down there.
Okay. I was a little.
14 amperes is taking. 16 amperes is taking, sir.
Sorry?
16 amperes machine taking.
Yeah.
Yeah. So
Yeah.
your power plug should be 16 amperes. If you
I
keep
was
the 12
I was
ampere, it will,
unhappy yesterday because the machine looked inefficient. After each two three drinks, the machine pauses, says, "Let me heat." Okay, this is very very inefficient.
There was a leakage.
1.5.
Yeah, no problem. It's my fault. I put this feed.
Okay, I got you.
Oops. Let me do it.
Yes, sir. Let them check how many ampere the power.
How are you? Jack?
Hi. How are you?
Fine, thank you, sir.
Good to see you. I put a small plastic bag in the.
Yeah, amperes check करेंगे. मशीन टेबल होने के बाद मशीन
इसमें सीट होगी ना एम्पेयर उसमें बताया
वो कितना कितना एम्पेयर है?
फूट रहा है
उसका काउंट वायर चेक करके होना है.
इसमें प्लेट में जो है
वो है लेकिन अब वो एम्पेयर चेक करने हैं. एम्पेयर चेक करने हैं, वोल्टेज चेक करने हैं.
इधर वोल्टेज है कोई एम्पेयर कैसे चेक करेगा वो तो इसकी रेट आगे जाती है
इसको हाथ का हाथ पकड़ना
हाँ सवेरे 4
मेरे कभी 1 महीना मेरा बैंक का काम बाकी है.
السعر اللي هنا موجودة كم أمبير؟ في عندك الفيشة هناك. برضه هنا كهرباء شوف اللي هنا
Drain has to be tight. The drain.
Where Irfan? हाँ
You've done it to 5-6 machines yesterday, so you know it all. I'm gonna move a little bit faster on this one. So I'm checking. Double espresso.
Because they want to say that. Yeah.
100 GB is going to be enough today only.
I stop, but the important thing is, if there is anything, no need to wait for the stations. 57.
Yeah, the customer wants 17, so I increase it a little bit. I would like to put 23.5. Here? Oh no.
Yeah. Yeah, okay.
24 will make
24, I keep it as it is. Okay?
I hope the gram is 17, right? 17, same the standard. Yeah.
70 grams उनका स्टैंडर्ड है 17 ग्राम जो उसको चाहिए ना वो 70 ग्राम उसको वो ना अगर उतना नहीं मिलता है ना आप उसको
कम अधिक कर सकते
बड़ा
The first one we want 55, the second one we want 65. We will give you all these information. Okay, so this is 65, it should be 55. I try again.
This one calculation depend on their product. Product.
Yeah,
Yes.
they ask
They
for
will
it.
provide us.
I want here on the scale 55. $82, I will not try it again. This is it. Okay, I increased it by 2 grams. 53, I increased it by 2. Finish. Now, give me an easy version of your name. How to say your name?
Right. VB. VNB.
VB. Okay, this is easy. Now I'm gonna do the ETC. We will explain again slowly what is the ETC. ETC. So they said to us the double espresso should be 17 grams. Out, 55 grams. Okay. They want 25 to 30 seconds. Anything extraction time between 25 to 30 seconds. Now I chose 27 seconds in between, in the middle. Now I went to the ETC, extraction time control. It means every time the double espresso will be 27 seconds. The machine will control it. Are you the trainer? So, what it, okay, now we're calibrating the espresso in the machine, okay? You don't have to do it. You don't have to do it, you don't have to learn it. but you need to understand that this machine maintains the extraction time of the double espresso.
Sorry, the extraction time for how many seconds?
27 seconds I set it.
Okay.
Okay, so this is the drink we were working on. We checked the water and we checked the coffee. This is it's highlighted. I go here, I say to the machine, make it 27 seconds. The machine will now adjust the grinder for the extraction to be 27 seconds. It will wait 4, 5, 6, 7, 10 drinks, and it will make 27 seconds extraction time. All these things you're seeing now for the first time, for the first machine only. Even Krispy Kreme are not supposed to see this maybe, you know? The next time the machine comes to the counter, it's ready to use.
Question, the temperature for the water over there?
92.
92 degrees. And the pouring time is 37 seconds.
Now see, it's 15 seconds. The machine will start adjusting the grinder
By
to
himself?
make it 27.
Himself?
Yeah.
Okay.
Not only it will adjust the grinder today, every day it will. After we finish this process, the machine will control the grinder every day to make your double espresso 27 seconds.
What about the quantity of the shots? For a single shot of espresso, how many ml?
30.
30 ml. For 2 shots, 60 ml.
We have two double shots now. This is the new recipe. We have 2 double shots. 1 double shot 55, 1 double shot 65. You should have got some communication from Dubai. Okay?
So 55 and 65
Yeah.
ml. Reason why? Why there's a difference between the
1 double shot for 12 ounce, 1 double shot for 16 ounce.
Ah, okay, great. Got it.
See, the grinder adjust now is 0. Okay? The grinder adjust is 0. Now the machine will go minus. Minus, it means finer.
Yeah.
-5, -6. The machine will start adjusting the grinder to minus because it noticed that the time of the double shot is only 15 seconds and we asked the machine to make it 27 seconds. It will adjust to -7, -8, -6 this area, and then the shot will be 27 seconds.
Question. The grinding time for the espresso, how many seconds?
The grinding time, why is this important? I will tell you, but why is this important?
Technically, because if someone asks me, how many seconds the grinding time for espresso? Sometimes you cannot avoid some unexpected question.
Okay.
So we need to ask technically.
Okay, I need to move to another screen to show you,
Later, that should be.
but ask me again. Okay.
Okay.
Don't forget this question. Ask me again.
नहीं तो जब तक नहीं होता है कुछ नहीं होता है वो सब करते रहेंगे
How much do you want?
No, as per the Eversys, as per the Cameo standards, there's certain extraction time standards. There's nothing.
Cameo doesn't have standards. We make a machine that can adapt to your standards. We don't sell coffee. We are a manufacturer of the coffee machine. No standards.
The machine is automatic, like this is
Yes.
It's automatic.
Yeah. Now you will see it will start adjusting here minus in the grinder adjust. It hasn't. The machine will monitor 3 things for you. The powder quantity. We ask the machine to put 17 grams in each shot. The powder quantity, the water quantity, and the extraction time. It will control these 3 things for you. Okay, now after flushing, the machine will go minus something. It means if you were working on the Simonelli and the Mythos grinder, you go finer 6-7 notches.
So what kind of grind we are having in the machine? Is it a fine grind?
It's a ceramic grinder.
Ceramic grind.
Yeah. One of the most expensive and more durable grinders is ceramic grinders. See, it went minus 10. Let me check this one. Grinder adjust, it was 0, it went minus 10. And now you can see the espresso has slowed down.
Yes.
Now, regardless of what we see here, there's a watch timing here. We said we want 27 seconds, plus or minus 3 seconds.
So it'll stop on 20 seconds, 23.
23, still not enough. The machine will adjust again.
तो 23 सेकंड पे वो चलेगा नहीं, 27 पे जाना चाहिए, 27 पे प्लस माइनस 3 होगा चलेगा.
Now what we're doing now, it looks like rocket science. See, oh my God, what is happening? This is very simple, very basic, but because you see automated for the first time, what is happening? Best. Yeah.
So the 27 seconds together with the infusion time.
No. No infusion time.
No infusion time.
No.
Stay like that.
Yeah.
वो 21.8 हुआ.
Why did you do infusion in simulation? No. No. Who told you?
27 पे 27 दिए ना आपको.
No.
25 हो गया ना तभी एक्सेप्ट.
In the app, yeah?
प्लस माइनस 3.
In the Appia machine? There's no
23 आएगा ना पहले, इसलिए नहीं है.
Is there a infusion in the Appia?
प्लस
27
भी
भी
आएगा.
आएगा.
24
Check it
आएगा.
Okay.
25 से भी आएगा. तभी वो एक्सेप्ट.
Directly the extraction time is giving you here 27 seconds. Right?
It should. I said to the machine, keep changing until you reach 27. 26, now it will say successful because 26 is very close.
अभी 26 हुआ ना, वो एक्सेप्ट करेगा.
It will say now successful.
Yeah.
Okay, the calibration is successful. Now, this is 26 seconds, but we said to the machine 27 seconds. Will it stop here? No. It will
Still continue.
Yeah, but the machine now saying, you can start using the machine. Leave the rest for me. Okay?
Yeah.
Unless he reaches this 27.
Say it loud so we hear what your
No,
question.
I mean the machine will actually calibrate it by itself, and then until he reaches 27 seconds range.
Yes, not only it will calibrate now because we're doing the calibration process, the job of this machine is to make sure that your double espresso throughout the day, morning, night, noon,
Every time.
is
Every
27
question.
seconds. Okay? Now, when the machine notices that the time of your espresso dropped to 22 seconds, it takes to 2 or 3 drinks to adjust. Okay?
To reach the
But
27.
it will adjust. Whereas in the Appia, in the old Appia, maybe sometimes your double espresso for 5 days, 6 days, if the barista doesn't interfere,
Because
and
it's completely manual.
Yeah.
It depends person to person.
yes,
The extraction rate. Here it's all automatic. That's fine.
yes. Okay, I've done the first grinder. I'm gonna adjust a few things. I adjusted a double espresso now on the machine. Okay, I will adjust other drinks. Your question, sorry for the interruption. Your question is how many seconds does the grinder grind for the double espresso?
Yes, that's my question.
6.6. Come see it.
Yeah, 6.6 seconds.
6.6 seconds grind time.
Nice.
Okay?
Yeah, sure.
Even the grind time I can adjust it, but this is very complicated and very technical. And I need a reason. Maybe you will request me in the future. I don't want to wait 6.6 seconds for the machine to grind for the espresso. I can speed this one. I can speed the motor of the grinder. But why? I need a valid reason. But this is a very, very high level of coffee knowledge. Okay, if you give me a good reason, I can adjust it for you. But for now, 6.6.
It's fine.
Go to your
So
meters. It's more than 6.
So the total process is 27 seconds extraction plus 6.6 is the grinding time.
Yes. Yes, exactly. Yeah. Okay. If you want me to put pre-infusion, that would be additional.
Because
It's a 27 seconds of the extraction and 24 seconds.
counting that time.
27.
27.
In your
Data,
yeah, 24.
24. 2 plus or down. 20.
When did you receive it?
Recently. The
What is recently? From Gaurav?
Yeah.
From Gaurav?
Guys from the Danny and Gaurav.
Okay. This might need to be. I suggested 24, and then someone else suggested 27. I changed it. I suggest it. I don't make decisions. I only say what I think is right.
Okay. This was the data as per this.
Yeah.
24.
This is the whole table is designed by me. I changed it.
This is better. 27 is better. It has more better taste, you know.
Okay.
If in the future they say change it back to 24, I can put it back.
I think 24 is way better from my perspective. Because
24?
It will give you a concentrated shot.
Okay. I want to say something with respect to everyone. We're mixing a little bit the technical with the taste, with the coffee, with everything. I need 20 more minutes with this crowd here,
Sure.
and then we will spend the whole day together, tasting, changing, and maybe we write a report at the end. We say, we send it to Dubai. We say this is what we want. Maybe they will approve it. Maybe they'll say F off. You know what F off is.
They better finish with them, then
Yeah, I got it.
we
I
can
like
come
that.
in.
They say to me, not to you.
Really?
See, this is a very nice espresso. We cannot taste with the eyes, but the extraction is nice.
Color we can understand also. Color when coming first trade, na?
Yeah.
27 seconds.
Yeah. We set to the machine 27 seconds. Okay, I'm gonna adjust this grinder, the other drinks from this grinder, a little bit fast, but I will slow down to this guy. The machine has 2 grinders. I will continue. We adjusted this drink on this grinder. We have this drink here from this grinder. Okay, you can see in the photo. Left grinder, left grinder, left grinder, right grinder, right grinder, right grinder.
Yes, from the part.
Yeah.
कलर दिखा है ना उस हिसाब से ये ग्राइंडर कौन सा कलर ये देखिए जो ग्रीन कलर ना मींस दिस इज द ग्राइंडर और दिस मतलब उसके लिए वो ग्राइंडर दूसरा कलर दिख रहा है इसमें देखो राइट साइड में दिया है ना इसके लिए ये ग्राइंडर इधर 2 ग्राइंडर ऊपर तो वो प्रोडक्ट के लिए ना कौन सा ग्राइंडर यूज हुआ है उसके ऊपर दिया है
Yeah, good.
अभी इसके लिए देख लेफ्ट साइड पे कलर है ना ग्रीन कलर तो ये ग्राइंडर
Okay, I'm gonna continue. There is still 1-2 drinks from this grinder. I'm gonna go fast, maybe without explaining, but I will slow down and start explaining from this grinder. Okay, I'm done with this grinder. All the espresso will come from one grinder. All the Americano will come from another grinder. Both grinders have the same coffee beans. Okay. As you saw the whole process when I first started, I calibrated this grinder. Now we need to do the same process for this grinder. For this grinder also 17 grams of coffee powder, 55 grams, 55 milliliter or grams of espresso. Okay, 27 seconds. It's the same.
शॉर्टकट भी वहाँ से जो लेफ्ट साइड में जो
Powder, how many gram? 17 grams.
Same
Coffee powder, how many gram? How many he measured the powder?
16.5 or 17.
Huh? 17.
No, 17 point.
No, the powder.
Powder 17 gram.
17.
The quantity of espresso 55 gram.
55 milli.
So 17 powder will give you 55
Water.
water espresso.
Yeah, this is what they want.
Yeah.
as per their
For me, this is the water is too much. But what the customer wants, we do what the customer
Exactly.
as per their recipe we have to adjust. This is their recipe.
Yes, exactly. It's the recipe. If they say put 100, we put 100.
Yeah.
Because there's this is the shorter maybe glass. Their short is a little bit bigger. This one.
Yeah.
The short coming like this one.
Okay. Now,
Yeah.
now, if you notice, I will start working on these ones. Right grinder. You see here. You see it in blue. See this one? It comes in green here. Green. This one is blue. It shows you which grinder here. Sorry. Yeah? So this shows what grinder. Now, I want 17 grams as usual. Can you please? Test powder. It's usually easier, but because I'm wearing white, I'm just trying to stay clean. So I want 17 grams. The customer wants 17 grams.
Yeah. 16.5.
16.5. You know what I will do? I will put 0.5 more. So I will. It was 23.5. I make it 24. I'd like to try one more, just to be on the safe side.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah. Thank you. This one is 82 water. I will make it 82 because there's one flow meter in this machine. Okay? Any drink you make 82 now, you will have the same result. One flow meter, but two grinders. We measure for this grinder, we measure for this grinder. So now I will go do the same. I want in this, now I make 55 drinks, 55 grams out, 17 grams in powder. The customer said make it 27 seconds. I go to the ETC. Okay. Please continue.
27 seconds.
Yes. Stop, please. What grinder are we calibrating?
This side.
No,
This
right,
side.
right.
Please,
Sorry,
don't
sorry.
answer. What grinder are we?
Right side.
Yeah.
Okay.
What grinder is here?
This is the left side.
Yeah.
So you have to
Go
calibrate
look,
the right.
go look for the right grinder.
Okay.
Go back.
Exactly that.
Back.
Please don't
Back.
talk to him.
Okay.
Stop. Stop.
Ah.
This is out. Okay? Start the ETC.
ETC.
Go find the right grinder. Left, right. No problem. If you cannot find it, no problem. I will find it.
No problem.
Okay? Just slowly, slowly, relax. Try to find the right grinder. It took me 2 months to learn this.
Okay.
Here, right grinder.
Down side.
you don't touch.
Down. No?
Leave him. Leave him. Okay, let me talk to you. Let me just talk to you. So, this is clearance. Okay, next, it's giving us the left grinder. Okay. Next, it's giving us the right. Okay, press next.
Okay.
This is where you adjust the left grinder. But we adjust it. Press next.
Okay.
Ah.
Now right way.
Now the right grinder.
Right. Not go forward.
Okay.
Okay.
Now the right grinder, and it shows you the drink you are working on. We were working on this drink.
Yeah.
We measure. Okay. Next.
27.3.
27. Yes, we have 27.
Okay. We'll start 27.
Why are you asking me to do it? No, just
Okay. Go.
just here. Yeah.
It will automatically calibrate.
Yeah. Now we automatic. Now the machine is washing. Okay, I will, while the machine is washing, I will repeat. It will still work. Ah, it's not allowing me. Usually I can go left and right while it's still working. But I go enter the ETC, okay? Before I enter the ETC, I know I am working on this grinder.
Okay.
So I look for the grinder next until I reach
Right,
this
right
grinder.
grinder.
Yeah. Sometimes I go inside the ETC. I don't have work on the left grinder. I only want so the machine asks me rinse, okay, and then it says this is your left grinder. What do you want to do? I don't want the left grinder. Next.
Next. Okay. Then right calibrate.
You finish it.
Yeah. 27. Until 27, 25. Until 25, plus minus 3.
No, he said
Plus-
27
No,
plus
no.
or minus 3.
No, no. Even though 25, it will exist.
Ah.
Yeah. 14 now. 25 is coming, then after that, when you are making your product, it will adjust itself automatically.
This will continue.
Yeah. Now grinder adjusting on -10. It's going down. मतलब वो एकदम ये बारीक होगी पाउडर। जैसे इतना ग्राइंडर नीचे जाएगा ना, वो पाउडर को बारीक करेगा। इतना मतलब ग्राइंडर वो ठीक है ना, ठीक करेगी बारीक कम बारीक। ये -10 बता रहा है ना, और नीचे गया 2 ग्राइंडर है ना, तो दबाता नीचे नीचे
Now 23. Yes. Now 23 and next become reach 24 above.
Or we give Americana, they adjusting.
Americana adjusting now Americana. So how many
27 seconds.
Adjusting.
Yeah, it's now adjusting. Yeah, automatically. Instantly machine will
So we
adjust.
need Americano, takes time.
No, first when you come, that time you have to do this program. Because sometimes calibration is doing. So that's why we are doing calibration. After that morning time, you should do this thing, then you will get proper product. Your product. This is a technical.
21, 22, 23,
20,
24, okay.
25.
26.
You will accept.
26 this time.
Exactly.
Yeah. Okay. Last time it was 23.
You will accept.
Now it will show success.
Successful. Say green, both are green.
Why will it show success? Ah, yes.
No, both are
Yeah. Now the machine is saying the drawer is full, empty.
Yeah, this
Wait.
This one
Wait.
water not going to.
Yeah.
Okay. क्योंकि इधर पानी है। Bottle carry कर।
This is because the hose is too long.
Yeah. This hooper, this is down one, na? Down one is full of coffee. So
It will not be full because we emptied it before, but we didn't say to the machine.
yeah. So machine
It's
will
our
say
mistake.
कि there is already.
No need to wash it. Just empty it.
We carry on na direct. Okay. Now this one timing 24.4 means plus minus 3 acceptable. This one is 27 required for 24.4 means there is
What
a
about the
3
grinder adjusted to what? The grinder.
already adjusted himself. Yeah. Grinder capacity 3.65, 24.
Grinder is already adjusted, but
Yeah.
after when it finishes, it puts here 0.
Okay, because it was -10.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Just it adjusts the number. So when you start again, you start from 0. This is 0.0. When the grinder is correct, this is for the machine. It reminds itself that this is 0.0. It shows you -10. It shows you I'm working, I'm adjusting. But when it finds the right number for the grind size, it says it calls it 0.
Okay. Next. Exit means when you make exit, it's save.
Yeah. Exit is safe. Yes. No. Okay.
Sorry.
This
Right.
same number of same numbers in this drink. I want them in this drink, okay? And same numbers in this drink. I want them in this drink.
Okay.
Do you remember them?
Yeah, we are changing only
Yeah.
the.
Try to remember them, but please before you start, I want a coffee. I want a clock on this drink.
Okay. 20 ounce. Okay.
This drink and this drink, same water quantity. Thank you. You can start. Even if the machine is working, you can go to the menu.
You told me double express. Double express.
Okay. No, stay on page 1. Yeah. This one we finished it. Okay. This one.
Yeah. So we like it.
This one, number 1, we want to see the coffee. Is it the same? No, here 24.
24.
Here
So we
24.
can direct adjust here.
Check, adjust
24. We will adjust here.
Yeah.
24.
Yeah.
Okay. Then you check again here. Sure.
No. No need for ETC for this drink. Yeah. Coffee is 24. Coffee is 24.
24.
Okay. Now I want to check the water. It's 98 here. Here
90.
is 90. Make it 90.
Here 90. Sorry.
Back.
Okay. 90.
Okay, we finished this drink. We finished. Move to the third drink. Okay.
Then also water and
This drink.
yeah.
I want it exactly the same distance.
Okay.
Make it.
This drink, you want same like this one? This drink.
This drink, I want it same like this one. Yes.
Okay. Here water quantity 82. Here 88. Okay. Then here 24. Here what thickness is different.
Increase 0.5.
24. Okay. Here okay.
Everything else is
80 to
okay.
24.
Okay. Here cycle. Okay.
Are you
Here
asking me?
cycle.
Go back.
No, wait.
Yeah, it should be 2.
Yeah. To color.
Yeah, this one should be 2.
Okay.
Yeah. No. Okay, we finished the coffee. Okay?
Okay, now.
We finished the coffee. The milks. Do you have milk here? Yeah. Don't drink it now. We will do the milk together. Or sorry. Please give me milk and jug. The milk we will do just quickly because the final adjustment will happen with the customer. Okay, but we will show you how the milk works. Give me the small jar you have. Oh yeah. This is too big. I would like to start with 250.
What happened?
As I said now, the first machine, you're like, oh my god, this is very complicated. It's not complicated. After 1 month, maybe 2 months, you will work on this machine like you work on your phone.
Yeah.
Okay? But now, it seems very complicated. Open this page, close this page. It's complicated, but later. Okay, so I'm gonna froth milk for a cappuccino. But I always, the coffee waits for milk. Milk doesn't wait for coffee. So I start with coffee. You can start at the same time, both at the same time. But I like to wait for the.
If coffee cold get problem.
See, it's frothing the milk. It's not only heating the milk, it's heating the milk and making foam also.
Even if you said yesterday, there was a sound yesterday. Now there is good sound.
Yeah, not foam.
Yesterday there was too much sound was coming because
It
of
means
power.
not enough air. The machine stops automatically for the steam. Look at the milk foam.
And bar also says 1.9. Yesterday we feel until 1.2 is coming when we
Yeah, because
power supply.
because the power wasn't enough.
Not enough. Now they connected properly. That's why.
Well, not enough foam to make art, but not enough milk and foam to make art, but it's good. The taste will be good also. I want to check something. It stopped at 67. Give me that brown one, please. As a start, it's good. What I want to see is the steam boiler pressure is 1.8. Just to check quickly if the power is enough or no, I want to operate the steam boiler. The pressure, see how fast. No, it's better than yesterday.
Yesterday until 1.2 coming.
Yeah,
1.1.
1.6. No, it's good. It's good.
Yesterday
The power is good. Yesterday they gave us 12 amps. The machine wasn't working. No, this is good. Okay. We finished the setup of the machine. Okay. If they say we want more foam, this is the cappuccino we were trialing. Yeah. If they say we want more foam, we go to the steam. This is the steam we were trialing. Yeah. Okay. Air. The air creates the foam in the milk. You increase it if they say they want more. But I think it's fine. We need more milk in the jug to make latte art. It's okay. It's good.
What about the temperature?
Of the milk?
No, of the espresso.
Okay.
When it comes. If we find out like the espresso coming cold.
Okay. There are two things. Well, the maximum for this coffee, the maximum you can use 92 degrees for the coffee. 93, 94, not more. Okay? We check in the machine parameters we're using 92. Why does an espresso come cold? Why does an espresso come cold? There are two reasons. Okay? Reason number one, the extraction is very, very, very slow. The machine will adjust it automatically. Will bring it back to 27 seconds. Reason number two, all the metal inside and the pipes inside the machine are cold. Okay?
Mm-hmm.
We thought about this one and we have something inside the machine, automatic rinse. Before you press an espresso, when you press an espresso, the machine, before start making the espresso, rinses the pipes with very hot water and rinses the brewing unit, the metal brewing unit, to keep it hot. And then it will make the espresso, so the espresso will come hot. Okay? These are the two things I can think about. This one sometimes is off. Your espresso is not very hot. So you come here and you choose the first selection.
Automatic rinsing.
Automatic rinsing. Okay. Now, if you're using ceramic cup that is here, look how cold this is. It's cold. AC. Whatever you do, if you don't heat this cup, your espresso will be cold. Because it's cold and you're putting 50 ml of water in it and you're expecting the 50 ml of water to heat this cup? No. The cup will make the espresso cold. You need to put this cup on a cup heater. This is a cup heater. Of course, this one will be closed. It's not like that.
That's why I always stop upside the machine.
Yeah.
Getting heat.
Okay. Anything else, you have a problem with the machine. Maybe the water is cold. But if the water in the boiler is cold, the machine will not work. Okay. These things we will start facing slowly, I hope, some challenges, and we will learn one by one. But these are the things. And this is a basic machine. Look at it. I can dismantle it in exactly 2 minutes. I can bring everything out. Hopefully the machine, I know you're exposed for the first time to this machine. It's big deal in your head. It's not difficult. It's easy. It should be easy.
Yep.
Okay. 6 months maybe after you start now with the Americana, maybe you're gonna struggle at the beginning. I will bring Michael again for another training. This is my plan. Okay. And then you will need to run yourself.
We will have the machine in our office,
Yeah.
and we also will get sometimes training by our they can they can do espresso, they can see the troubleshooting and all this.
I want to make another coffee to try. Is the jump? Sorry.
So now are we done with the setup?
Technical we're done. Yeah.
Okay.
Now I will try all the drinks with the.
Anybody have questions based on your base experience? Like the coffee machine you were working before, always like problem with the boilers or problem
These are
with
technical issues we cannot discuss with
yeah.
Technique. I'm not technical.
Because
My specialty is calibration.
calibration.
Okay.
Yeah.
You can adjust the boilers. You can adjust the boiler.
No. You?
Yeah.
You? No. You will not have access to anything inside the machine. The access is for the technical team. Because there's no point of bringing such an expensive machine and then allow everyone to play with it. For example, you like the coffee light, you adjust the machine like coffee and you sell it to people just because you like it this way. And this gentleman behind you, he likes very strong coffee. He plays with the machine, make very strong coffee, sell to people. Because this is how he thinks coffee should be. This is not how business works. Business works, we have one taste, it's our signature for Krispy Kreme, this is what we sell. See, it's rinsing. It's rinsing to heat, see? It's rinsing to heat the metal, so your espresso is not cold.
You'll get perfect.
Yeah?
One good question. Yeah.
Okay, we said 27, but we said minus or plus 3 seconds is fine.
Looks very nice.
How many ounces is this? 8? 8 ounces.
I still feel it's still cold.
Still cold? You taste it? Can I taste? Yeah, not a problem. I noticed something. So there is a fan here. It was pushing the espresso a little bit, but let me make another one. Let me close the machine. Yes, you're right, but let me close the machine and make another espresso. It will be better.
Regarding the CEO meeting, 10 minutes meeting, 12 to 10.
Everything special. Only for me. Everybody asking.
Let's log in. Let's listen.
No idea. I'm out of office. I don't. I have to support with my team after I will spend.
All countries.